Guys, I'm here with my papa. Hello, papa. How are you? Eh? You come and hold you. Oh. So guys, today I've worked with papa. Hello, baby. How are you? So guys, I'm here with my nephew, Papa. Papa, say hi. Say hi, baby. Say hi. So guys, it's 10:47 here in Kampala. We are already at what? Look at this. Look at that twig in the background. That one. It's done. Only the middle part is done. So we just remaining with finishing the edge of it. Papa is playing with the dreads. He's scaring me that Ma Papa Ma don't scare me, baby. Don't scare me, baby. Guys, hello guys. Hello guys. Say hello guys. So guys, he has been scaring me with these dreads I did last night. I was trying out to make these braids using these normal braids. Yes, pops. So guys, last night I was trying to make these dreads. It was my first time to make them, so I think I can go about them. So yeah, this is how they came out. I used these normal braids. I used Pamoja to come up with this. So guys, wait for the series of dread series, guys. Look. I think I can get some money in these, cause many people are wearing these dreads here, I think all over the world. So I'm gonna try them out and see how I can go about them, guys. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Look at this young man, what he's doing. What are you doing, Papa? Huh? You're playing a game? Huh? Say hi to my view. So guys, the power is back. Yes, Papa. Thank you, babe. Oh, sorry, my boy. Look at him. Hearts? Sorry, baby. Look at him. Yeah? No, don't go to mommy. Come, baby. I'm going to take you to mommy. Come, Papa. Come back, baby. Have this phone. Papa. 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 Spirit. Please, Papa. Come here, baby. She's going up, guys. Pops, come. Hello, sweetie.